Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Team from the Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration had arrived in the MAPSA yard today for routine sampling, and there was a tip-off also that we have received that there is artificial ripening which happens, and in view of that we were carrying out a surveillance check, and while carrying out the surveillance check we have found this consignment which is being ripened using a chemical which is not allowed, and this stock has currently been detained by us. We have also informed the municipality and we are waiting for the vehicle from the municipality, by which with the help of the municipality we will be destroying this stock. This stock belongs to a person called Asif, and we have booked Asif now for carrying out this alleged artificial ripening.
कौन सा chemical use करते हैं? What chemical?
They are using a chemical called Ethafone. Ethafone is a plant growth regulator which is ideally used for agricultural purpose, but it is not permitted to be used on fruits. So hence they are misusing this chemical. There are other approved ripening methods, and we have appealed to the yard to fix a ethylene gas chamber here, which is the approved method as per the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and we have made a request to them that they make these gas ripening chambers available here so that this malpractice stops. In our recent checks, we have seen that many of these other vendors have resorted to traditional methods by putting the bhatti, and most of them are doing these bhattis, but there are few people who engage in these unapproved methods, and today since we have found this person we will be taking strict action. In the earlier raids also there was one vendor called Hanif who was booked, and this matter is filed and it is currently sub judice in the JNFC court.